show that the function f of x comma y is equals to xy x square minus y square upon x square plus y square, where x comma y is not equals to 0 and x comma y, when it is 0 then it is 0. So then the function, if it is defined by this, then it is differentiable at origin, right? How to be proved that it is differentiable at origin? If we take that f of we have a formula for this, we have to solve and put the values of this. df is equals to ah plus bk plus h phi of h comma k plus k of psi of h comma k, right? When we had to prove that it is differentiable at 0, then the left side and right side both have become 0. Now find out the value of this is what is the value of f of h comma 0? H comma 0 is we know that h dot 0 h square minus g square upon h square plus 0, this is equals to 0. What is f of 0 comma k? This is, put the value of 0 and k, this becomes 0. At 0 comma 0 find out del f upon del x, which is a. How do we find out? Limit s tending to 0, f of h comma 0 minus f of 0 comma 0 upon h. What is f of h comma 0? But we know that 0 and 0 minus 0, it is 0 upon 0. F of 0 comma k minus f of 0 comma 0 upon k. b is equals to del f upon del y. Limit k tending to 0, then it is becomes 0. Now the function, it is expressible that we know that phi is converging to 0 and psi is converging to 0, as h converging to 0 and k converging to 0. If k converging to 0 and h converging to 0, then phi is converging to 0 and psi is converging to 0. So df is equals to 0, h phi plus k psi. So f of 0 plus h comma 0 plus k minus f of 0 comma 0 is equals to h of phi plus k of psi. This becomes f of h comma k, f of 0 0, it is 0, which is h phi plus k psi. This will become hk h square minus k square upon h square plus k square h phi plus k phi k psi. Changing to polar system, h is equals to rho cos theta, k is equals to rho sin theta. This will become rho square cos square theta minus sin square theta sin theta cos theta. This is the function's value what we have proved there, and put the values, then it is becomes, when psi converging to 0 and psi converging to 0, then it is become 0 equals to 0. So it proves that this is differentiable.